I think students should take interactive media as a program if they really want to start exploring their creative side. And it doesn't mean you have to have drawing skills. As long as you have an itch to be creative and kind of explore that side, I think this is a great pathway to develop some of those techniques and to develop some of those skills and really see what area of these things may interest people.
I've learned a lot about dealing with clients, so that's learning to talk to them, learning how to get the right information out of them, and learning how to give them the product that they want.
There are so many skills that students learn throughout their time in interactive media. We start with creating and editing digital graphics, so students start in Photoshop, they do photography, they learn basic photo editing in Lightroom, and then we get into more complex softwares, Adobe Illustrator, where students who have a passion for drawing can really start to flex those creative muscles. We get into video and sound editing as well, and then later on we get into animation and even some 3D techniques.
One of my favorite parts of interactive media wasn't just being given the opportunity to excel my work in Creative Flow, but also meet similar students and make new friends that have similar ideas or are part of the same creative worlds as mine. And it's not something that I see at my regular home school. So to be brought to Mayfield, to be brought to Excel Tech, and this whole environment is something really special.
You don't have to have any sort of prior classes or knowledge or things that you've taken. You're welcome to bring a portfolio if you come to the open house or things like that, but we're really just looking for passionate individuals who want to learn and want to expand their knowledge in this field.